Hello, I'm Brian Moore, independent candidate for County Commissioner of Hernando County in District 2. The theme of my campaign is to preserve Hernando County, and we're here at Bayport at the Gulf of Mexico wishing to emphasize the pristineness of the county and the importance of its natural beauty. And one of the priorities, I think, of a commissioner would be to make certain that our legislation and our policies don't adversely impact upon the county. As you can see, the natural habitat here with all the trees, the waterways, the Gulf Coast here is so important to our identity that we need to preserve it and make sure that we retain that character all the way through. I'm in favor of economic growth, but it should be at a slow, natural pace, and we should have the type of projects that encourage that on a more natural basis, as opposed to artificial or contrived projects that involve disrupting the community and the environment. And the penny tax and these nature centers that are going to cost millions of dollars, I think will ultimately be detrimental to our natural beauty.